As we practice martial arts in nature, with the flowers and the trees around us, and the sky, the blue sky and the sunshine, the sun hitting our face and our whole body, and us feeling the heat of that energy, divine energy that touches us to go forward and inspires us to learn and to really become in tune with our body, our mind, our spirit. JKD in short is no different than a cycle of life. Evolution, the process and the line of thought is one and the same. You must move and groove with its universal energy. When the cycle is complete, so shall it be with you. Express against the mess. I don't give, I offer. What you take becomes yours. Call me what you like, I am nonplussed, as is the truth no matter which way you see it. My or your view is still the same, yin and yang. It's not what you do, it's how you express it. I find myself practicing. I go into my own zone, into my own world, where there's lots of peace and happiness and harmony. I switch off completely from the outside world. Always remember that there's a higher power looking after you, because at the end of the day, all the struggles, all the pain that you have had in your life has been for a reason. We all go through this, so we get to know who we are and how strong we have to be.